Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Let us paint this very simple house scenery drawing. Little by little, I'll assimilate the colors and create this painting. It took me 15 minutes to draw this whole scenery. Using red in a monotonous tone really gives a good contrast. Let's then get into the video. Our first move is to pre-wet the paper. Only the sky. The color would be lighter towards the bottom. Follow my steps but do not copy. Coloring the roof with the color I created just now. Adding slightly darker color here. This will give a good gradient. Adding dots for the tree leaves, I'll add darker tone of this color later on. For the front hill, I will create a gradient with yellow ochre and green. Observe how I create this gradient. I am using very much loose color. Loose colors will make the two colors blend easily. Using same technique for the second hill, but in a more green tone. As the first layer is dried for the tree leaves, I am adding the contrast color, not contrast color but the slightly darker color. I think this will give the depth that I wanted. Time to define the edges with black color. When I was a child, I knew only black color is used for borders, but as I grew up and I personally started adding white color for the edges. Not everywhere white color is used. Where there is dark shade, I can use white border. In this monotonous color, I will add vibrant red. A person who is flying a kite, the kite will also be red. This will give a life to this painting, I guess. I will add shadow with slightly darker green shade. And we are done with the painting. Let's take off the masking tape now. Let me show you close details. And yes, this is it. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Tata.